So what is CSRF token, and why we are use CSRF token in our farm? So Laravel provides a security while some putting data to our controller or to any method and fetching the data from your backend. So this is the security features of Laravel. By default, is provide the security for to authentication of the token that is embedded with each form. And so we can see in the middleware. So, so verify CSRF token cross-site request forgery token, and here we can access of this. If we want to enable, so for some reason you can give here to define the root, so you can disable it. So suppose I want to for root to disable for my directory root, so I can disable it for any other reason, but we should not disable it. So let's quickly create some files and controller and the view to see what it is and how we can set it. So in a view, create a new file, home, save it, home.blade.php, and let's where it is. So let's create a controller PHP, and make sure that you are in your source directory. So let's fresh is our source directory of Laravel, and create a PHP artisan make controller home controller, and create method to function store to fetch to take the value from our farm, and we can take our by using request. So and let's die dump our request here and quickly set our routes. So default is getting welcome, and we change it to default our new view home, and let's make it verify it is accessing home, and so yes, it is okay. In a web, create a new route. This time is will be the post, because we are submitting data from our view to a controller and to a method. Some method is post, which you can use put and delete. These are the route method that giving Laravel. Cloud email, and it will use a controller, our home controller. Method will use store, and we give it the route name email, So route is created. Route is created. Email, home controller, store, and let's jump to view. Create a farm. Simple input. Type email and name email, and other input is submit and submit. So give the action and action method post, because we are putting data, and define the route URI way to submit this form. So we have created our route. So give the name of route, which is email, and form action is the route email, submitting to email method post. And let's see in our browser. So parts are inspected, end of file. Okay, there is something problem in route. So diminish and the statement. So form is accessible. Okay, give it your. So the page has expired due to inactivity. Please refresh and try again. So nothing wrong with the our source, because we have set up a controller and accessing the request and web. So where is the home? So let's create our CSRF token. We can create with the helper function of Lara blade CSRF field. So it will create a field. We can confirm it. So control U, you can see the source. With the CSRF token has been created. And let me check the route. Email, URI email, and it is email, home is email. Okay, let's die dump our request email, and now we submit our form with our CSRF token. So give the email, submit. So you see we have now a request from our view. So we have dump our request. You can dump the complete request. You see what parameters. So it will submit, and we have a request object, and with the request object we have a request back, and where this parameter underscore token is, this is the token that we are submitting in our home CSRF field, and the submit email is this. So this is the way to secure your authentication, to check the form is submitted by a legitimate user, not the other user, illegitimate user, for hacking or any authentication breach. So you can also give field like input in this way, input type hidden name underscore token, and value by using blade CSRF token. You can also give your token in this way. Let's confirm, and control U to see the token is now created.